What's up, y'all? So today I'm back.
Okay, so pause. My computer decided it wanted to breathe hard today, so all the talking I was doing during this video, you actually cannot hear me at all if you reference the clip that was just played. So today I'm gonna do a voiceover over the talking that I was originally doing, so please ignore my lips moving. Now let's get into this video. Okay, so it is winter time and it's froze in Memphis, so it is the season for protective styles. So today we're going to be working with Chinalacewig. I did receive this wig from them. This is their straight wig, and I just wand curled it really quick to style it. But the main idea and reason for this video is to show you something new. I was showing you that I plucked it a little bit, plucked the hairline a little bit, but what they did was something new that I never seen before. They like pre-lightened the actual part of the wig. As you can see, it almost looks like someone put makeup there, and I washed the wig and I scrubbed that part and it did not budge. So we're just gonna see. Side note, I did want to mention to you guys that the knots on the actual frontal part of the wig were a little thick. They look like they were kind of double knotted, so if you see the holes in my frontal, it's from trying to thin out the hairline. Some of the knots actually created holes after pulling them out, but you can't see it when you actually put on the wig, so it doesn't really matter. But yeah, we're finna apply this wig and then get into the part, and in this video I'm going to show you guys what the part looks like after being received with a pre-lightened part, and if it happens to not match your skin tone, I'm going to show you guys also how to fix it and make it match. So for the application process, I'm using Got to Be Glued as always, and I always start in the middle. I told you guys this in several videos before. I start in the middle so that I know that my wig is perfectly measured and I won't have any extra ear tab on either side. And yeah, just the regular Got to Be Glued method, and once I finish applying it, I'll come back and I'll talk more to you guys. I don't want to come repetitive, but I do have the same application process for the wigs that I do wear, but here I'm just showing you guys that I was using the Got to Be Glued gel, the black one, just to kind of swoop a little baby hair in the middle and a little on the sides. I'm going to continue to flatten out the wig, and yeah, just my regular application baby hair process. Okay, so for me, the part wasn't too bad, but for my people who do decide to purchase from this company, I went in with my Black Radiance foundation and just took a little makeup brush and I just applied it to the part, almost like how you would do a synthetic wig when you're trying to fix the part and make it look more natural. Some of you guys may not have to do this to your parts, but I'm just showing you just in case, you know, it's too light or too pinkish or too tan, you know, for your liking. It didn't look that bad to me, but it did look better once I applied the foundation. Once you apply all the makeup you like or you prefer on the part, just go in with your finger and kind of dab it in the part to pick up any extra product, because you don't want that to get on the hair strands. Now for this wig, I decided to focus more on the part simply because I've never received a wig like this with just the part pre-lightened. I've had tinted lace and pre-bleached knots and stuff like that, but I've never had like just a lightened middle part, as you guys seen when I first flipped the wig inside out. So I just thought it was important to show you guys this, because I don't know if this is a new thing that they do for all the wigs that they send out to people, like I guess lighten the part so it can be more defined, but you know, for some people it may not match their skin tone or their scalp color. So this right here would be a very easy method to fix that. And then also, you know, for the people who are scared to bleach knots, you can also use this method. Once I fixed up the part, I just kind of ran my fingers through the wand curls to give me like this cute wavy look, and that was pretty much it. I fixed around the little baby hairs a little bit on the side, and I went on about my day. Overall, this hair is really pretty, really silky. It was just really the part that threw me off, and I just really wanted to share that with you guys, because that was new for me. So I was trying to see if we could find a way to finesse it if, you know, it wasn't cute. Yeah. But that is basically it, the end of this video. I know you guys probably were looking for a tutorial, but I really wanted to show you guys this. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little informative video, and I love you guys, and I will see you in the next one.
Oh, yeah, yeah, fuck a lame nigga. Hello, hello. Fucking talking skirt, 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 do the card, hello, hello, card, card, Cardi, hard, yeah.